Alright guys, hello, how are you guys doing today? Standard Contracting here with a unboxing video today. It's been a while since I've done one, so let's get cracking here. Let's see here. A new knife for Christmas from a friend of mine. So that's good. Just gotta get the box open here. So this is like one of the last things I'm buying for now. See here. See here. You got this wrapped up good. Yeah, I'm just not. Yeah, it's good. So, not in a very good mood right now, guys. But just bear with me. We're gonna move you down here. Get out of the way here. Let's see. I gotta readjust it again. Sorry about this, guys. I'm just a little annoyed with something right now. But we're gonna keep pressing forward as usual. A little time till Christmas. Should probably do a collection update or something. Alright, so in this here box, bubble wrap. I got some. Look at these. You got some cards. This is from MLM Diecast on Instagram. Be sure to follow him. There we go. So yeah, I got some cards from him. Thank you very much, man. Look at this. Alright, so here's the first part. Let's see. Which one's the knife? I want the knife. Alright, so the knife here, he's got this bubble wrap. Here's a frame. Yeah. So it's good. Here's the frame. Looks pretty good. This is a cat service truck that I got. From MLM Diecast on Instagram again. So go give him a follow. This is going along for my service truck that I'm working on currently. So I got some cylinders. I think this, I know what that goes to, I think. So, parts, cat pen, alright. Just got some, what are these? Got some, there we go. Got some speed limit signs. Got Bob. What else is this? Looks like DOT markings, which is good. Will really help. Cylinder. And all that, the actual boom here. The actual boom for the service truck. Chain and some other stuff here, which is great. Tire, cone, all that good stuff. And get the service body out, my main part here. So here's the service body. Oh, that's farted. Alright, so that's it, the box. And the last but not least is the cab. Now, a lot of this stuff I won't need, so it's going to my good friend on Instagram, Kevin Stickley. So here is the cab of the truck right here. It's great. So let me pause this real quick and we'll show you the finished product.